Welcome my friends. So today we're going to discuss about current affairs and the whole session will be in English as current affairs doesn't need much explanation and this current affairs will be of quiz type. Okay, so you just have to take a moment and guess the answer and I will tell the answer after 10 seconds. Okay, so let's start. So this session will be very useful for RRB students, SSC students and UPSC EPFO students and other people who are writing UPSC CAPF etc. Okay, so current affairs plays a key role in getting you good marks. Okay, so let's start. So I will ask the question and you just take some seconds to remember, then let's find the answer. Okay, so let's start. So who has been selected for the Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar in the individual category? Ketan Singh Sodhi, Atul Srivastava, Daksh Mewada, Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. So who has been selected for Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar? So this is about January 2021. Okay, it's about current affairs. Okay, who has got Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar? Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. Okay, so option D is the right answer. So those who got it right, very good, and those who got it wrong, please write it down in a piece of paper. Okay, let's move to the next question. India has signed an agreement with which country for submarine rescue support and cooperation between the navies? Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia and Vietnam. So in which country India has signed a submarine rescue support and cooperation? Which country? Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam. Take a second. Yes, answer is B, Singapore. Okay, so with Singapore, India has signed an agreement. Okay, so let's move to next question. Which state has signed an MOU with Adani Port and SEZ Limited to set up the country's largest multimodal logistics park at Sanand? Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. And as you hear the name Anand, Sanand, you get the answer. The answer is yes, you got it right. The answer is Gujarat. Okay, answer is Gujarat. Okay. So it is country's largest multimodal logistics park. Okay. Let's move to next question. The rank of India in Global Firepower Index. What is the rank of India in the Global Firepower Index 2021? 4, 5, 1, 8. What's the rank of India? Take a deep guess, okay, or take a wild guess. Yes, the answer is 4. Okay, rank of India is 4 in Global Firepower Index 2021. Okay, let's deal some dates. Okay, so in January 24 is a day of National Girl Child Day. So we have National Girl Child Day. Okay, and in January 25 we have National Waters Day. Okay, National Waters Day, and the theme of this year's National Waters Day was making our waters empowered, vigilant, safe and informed. Okay, what is making our waters empowered, vigilant, safe and informed? Okay, after that we have in January 26 we have, the same day we have World Tourism Day. National Tourism Day on January 25, and on 26 we have International Customs Day. International Customs Day is on January 26, and on 27 we have Holocaust. Okay, Holocaust Remembrance Day. So to connect with this 5 facts, we can just remember as a story. Okay, we have a girl and as she matured we went and make her vote, and after vote we went for a tour in the same day, and after coming back we found that she has got an international customs level job, and on 27 she found that there was a Holocaust. Okay, so this is about the January 24, 25, 26 and 27. And in January 30 we have 2 important days. One is neglected Neglected Tropical Diseases Day. Neglected Tropical Diseases Day. And the same day we have our Martyrs Day. Okay. So Neglected Tropical Disease Day and Martyrs Day is in January 30. So hope you would remember January 24 National Girl Child Day, January 25 there is National Voters Day, and January 25 we have Tourism Day, and on January 26 we have International Customs Day, and on 27 we have Holocaust Remembrance Day. Okay, and in January 30 we have two important days, that is Neglected Tropical Disease Day and Martyrs Day. Hope you guys understood. Let's move to the next question. Winner of 2021 Mikhail and Sheila Health Prize. Nikhil Srivastava, Bhaskar Yadav, Deepak Malavya and Hemant Patil. So, you know, it's a winner of 2021 Mikhail and Sheila Health Prize. This is a science prize, okay. So, who was that? It was Nikhil Srivastava. Nikhil Srivastava won the Michael and Sheila Health Prize, okay. First Indian grey wolf sanctuary is to be coming up and is to be set up in which state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Which state? Just take a wild guess, please. Yes, the answer is Karnataka. Okay. Jail tourism. In Republic Day, a state organized a jail tourism day. And what was that state? The state was Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra. SpaceX has broken the record of ISRO by launching how many satellites in a single mission? So earlier, ISRO has made the record of bringing most number of satellites in one mission. Okay, but this was broken by SpaceX. Let's see the number: 120, 143, 119, 132. Everyone knows this number. It's a very famous number. It's 143. Okay, so that is the number. Next, Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched Ayushman CAPF scheme in which of the following states? Bihar, Tripura, Jharkhand, Assam. Ayushman CAPF. CAPF is most commonly seen in that state. Okay. Yes, it's Assam. Okay. Next. Rank of India in Global Climate Risk Index 2021. 6, 7, 9, 3. It's 7. Okay. Okay, that is it. Kaja Kallas of which country has become the first female prime minister of the same country? Okay. First female prime minister of which country has become Kaja Kallas? Estonia, Latvia, Finland, Sweden. So the country which is very famous for gender issues and all, it's not that, it's Estonia. Okay, Estonia. Okay, Kaja Kallas. Okay, first female prime minister. According to India Justice Report 2020, which state has the best justice delivery system? Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh. Best justice delivery system. It is not Jharkhand, not Madhya Pradesh. Yes, it's Maharashtra. Okay, it's Maharashtra. Which country will host the 2022 Women's Asian Cup from January 20 to February 6? Japan, China, Vietnam, India. 2022 Women's Asian Cup. It's India. Okay. Next question. As per the Economic Survey 2020-21, India's GDP is estimated to contract by what percent in financial year 21? 7.7, 6.5, 7.1, 6.9. It's 7.7%. Okay, 7.7%. Okay. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the dash anniversary of Prabuddha Bharat on January 31st, 2021. 150th, 115, 100, 125. Answer is 125. Okay, 125 is the answer. Scientists in Antarctica have unearthed which mineral that is rarely seen in Earth but found abundance in Mars? Lanthanum, jarosite, europium, terbium. Which is that element or that mineral? which is abundantly found in Mars and rarely seen in Earth, which is jarosite. It's found in Antarctica. Okay. What is the rank of India in Coronavirus Performance Index released by Australia-based Lowy Institute? 78, 56, 86, 77. The same number we are in another index also. So it's 86. Okay. Okay. What is the rank of India in Corruption Perception Index 2020? 70, 80, 54, 86. It's the same, 86. Okay. So in the Corruption Perception Index and the Coronavirus Performance Index, we have 86th rank. Okay. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for being with me. Even if I'm getting only small time to upload videos. See, you have this lot of disturbance around me. That's why I have been like, very neglected to upload video because of this sound, because of the audio issues and all. So I hope you guys liked it. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. I will come with more and more session on current affairs because I love current affairs so much. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.